If your videos give cannot export errors or keep getting stuck when exporting on CapCut, I've got a few easy and quick fixes that can help get things running smoothly again. Hey there, welcome to How to Easy Quick. In this video, I'll show you some simple steps to fix the exporting issues you might be facing on CapCut. This should be a quick and easy tutorial, so let's jump right in. First, one of the main reasons your video export might give error or get stuck is a full cache. To fix this, open CapCut on your PC. Once opened, go to the top left corner, click here on Menu, and then down here click on Settings. This will open a new window. Here you can see the options to delete cache. From here, choose the option Auto Delete Cache From, and then click here on Delete. Remember, you'll need to close your project first to be able to clear the cache. This should help CapCut run more smoothly and prevent export issues. Another possible cause is low storage space on your C drive. Here's how to check. Go to your Windows Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Once you find it, click to open, and here you need to select Drive C and then click OK. Check any files here that you don't need, select them, and then click OK to free up space. By following these steps, your export process on CapCut should go smoothly without any error or getting stuck. Clearing cache and freeing up storage are quick ways to prevent these issues on CapCut for PC. Thanks for watching. If this helps you out, please subscribe for more easy and quick solutions. See you next time.